The conveniences you enjoy with owning a Lincoln never cease to amaze. Now you can take Alexa out of the home and with you wherever you drive. Having access to Alexa in your vehicle is now as easy as connecting your phone through Sync 3 AppLink. Let me walk you through how to set it up. First, you'll need to download the current version of the Lincoln+Alexa app through your smartphone's Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Then sign into the Lincoln+Alexa app using your Amazon account username and password and agree to the terms and conditions. From inside your vehicle, turn on your ignition. Next, connect your phone and make sure the Lincoln+Alexa app is active on your phone. iPhone users will connect to AppLink via USB, and Android devices connect to AppLink via Bluetooth. Using the Sync 3 touchscreen, touch the Apps button on the menu bar, swipe left, and touch the Alexa tile. You'll get a pop-up asking if you'd like to enable mobile apps and if you agree to the terms and conditions. If so, hit Yes. Now you're ready to use Lincoln+Alexa with AppLink. If the app does not appear, make sure it is running on your phone. From inside your vehicle, simply say, "Alexa." You'll have access to many of the same capabilities you do from your home, including checking the weather, getting sports scores, listening to audiobooks, checking traffic, and more. Plus, you can play all your favorite music from Amazon Music, iHeartRadio, and TuneIn, as well as purchase music as you go. And get turn-by-turn directions to just about anywhere you want to travel to. Keep in mind, in order to use this feature, Sync 3 software version 2.2 or higher is required. To check the version of your system, press Settings, General, and then About. You'll see your system's version displayed here. If you have to perform a software update, you can do so using automatic home Wi-Fi updates, a USB download from owner.lincoln.com, or a service technician installation from your dealer. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.